Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the touch sensitivity settings on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and then you want to select the settings gear button, and then go down and select the display and touch tile. And then scroll down again underneath touch, select touch sensitivity, adjust touch screen sensitivity, select that. And then at this point, you can go ahead and click on this icon here to start adjusting the touch sensitivity settings. You may also want to enable the screen protector mode to increase touch sensitivity and improve touch when using a screen protector. So whether you are or are not using a screen protector, if you want to increase the touch sensitivity, you may want to toggle that on. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.